Hello guys, welcome to my channel Engineering. Hope all of you are enjoying good health and safe from COVID-19. In today's video, we are going to discuss about the common question how to become an engineer. Means a student who wants to ask a question that how could he become an engineer and how could he start his career as engineer and what studies do you need to become for an engineer and many other questions will be discussed in our today video. So I suggest you to watch the video from start to end so that you will never miss any point and you will get a correct knowledge. So if you like the video, subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon so that you will get the new updates about our channel and you will keep in touch with us and will get the new and informative knowledge from us. So as you know, we will provide the best info to you in our each video by a authentic website. So what website we are going to discuss about today? The topic is how to become an engineer, and we have searched a website where all the questions related to this topic will be covered in that website. So let's go to the website. This is the website guys. I have totally read it and researched about it. How to become an engineer. So if you see, let me just read it. So here we zoom it guys. As you know and written here that engineering is a broad field with exciting and varied career opportunities. As a result, you could be working anywhere from aerospace to construction using the latest technology to design products, testing your scientific knowledge in the healthcare and food industries and working on innovative railway projects. There are many career opportunities around the world as a graduate of engineering. So the first question is, should I become an engineer? Engineering is a practical and technical role where you can be solving problems and exploring your things or work every day. Excellent math and science skills are essential, while project management and strategic thinking are key soft skills you will need to more senior roles. Some roles may also be need you to create. Benefits of engineering include exploratory and earning potential and international opportunities. So there are different types of engineering as we discussed in our previous videos. The types of engineering, there are chemical engineering, civil engineering, electrical engineering, and as I told you in my previous video that I am also an electrical engineer and mechanical engineering. There are many other types of engineering guys. If you want to see the types of engineering and want to know about the types of engineering, you can visit our channel and see the other videos for your information. So there is step to become an engineer. First of all, you need three main steps to become an engineer: A level or equivalent. Second is postgraduate degree. Third is postgraduate degree, and second is undergraduate degree. Qualification need for engineering, and there are related links many engineering job profile and other things, but I told you here about the qualification. The qualification for need in O level or equivalent study, like in Pakistan FSC and other broad countries, there is A level and O level. At A level, to study an engineering degree you will need a good A level in math, physics, biology or chemistry. Chemistry and math will be preferred, and math is preferable instead of biology. A chemical engineering foundation or engineering foundation is another route if you have not studied A levels. At second step there is undergraduate degree. You can choose a bachelor of engineering degree, bachelor of engineering, 3 years, or Master of Engineering degree M Engineering 4 years. You will usually choose your specialty when you apply for your degree. Mean you can choose any field of engineering like chemical, mechanical, civil, software, other degrees. Third is postgraduate. If you completed a bachelor engineering degree math- rather than master engineering, then you can go and study a master's degree in related field that is required if you are considered applying for chartered status and aiming for some senior positions. However, it is essential for all engineering careers. So it's all about today, guys. Today's video, guys, that how you could become an engineer. So we will meet soon in next video with a new topic, inshallah. And we will meet soon. Take care of yourself. Goodbye. Allah Hafiz.